Well, hello everybody, how you doing? This is Carl from Sierra Survival and Van Life, and today I'm going to show you how my shower unit works and what I use in my shower unit. Well, as you can see, we are parked at a campsite. There's the van, right next to a beautiful river, and on the other side of us we've got beautiful rocks going right the way up where a lot of rock climbers come. We've been here for about 4 days, and yeah, so I want to do a video on my shower system. Now I can actually use the shower system in the campsite, but I used my shower system yesterday and it's actually better than the showers that are in the campsite. So yeah, so we'll crack on and I'll actually get in the shower, see how that goes. So there we go. I'll just change over and show you what I'm using. Okay, so this is my shower unit setup. I have a 12 volt pump shower. As you can see, this end there's a shower end, and on this end we've got the 12 volt pump, and this drops into water. So you can charge this up by USB, turn it on, and that's the pump actually working. This is the plug for the actual charging here. The name of it is Rise Pro. I got this off Amazon, so just look for 12 volt pump showers on Amazon and you'll find it on there. For my bucket I use a 5 litre, I've got a Bushman folding bucket here, so I'll just take that out the packet. Hang on, I'm going to do this with one hand, so bear with me a second. Close you up a minute. I'll give you a view of the river while I'm trying to do this. Right, there we go. So take that out of there, and my bucket, as I said, is 5 litres. It pops up like that, and what I do is I fill it 2/3 with cold water, then boil the kettle for the other third. I mean, obviously if you want it hotter then you boil more water, but for me that's just fine. So that's the setup I use. Once that's full of warm or hot water, drop the pump in there, and hey presto, there I go and have my shower. Now here's my shower unit. I've done a full video on how I made this. Basically what I did was I saw an Australian 4x4 company, or sorry, program on YouTube, and they had this fold out shower, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have a go at making that. So I did, but what I'll do is I'll leave a link to that video below, because I've already done a video on my shower cubicle, which I also use for changing, for toilet, for everything else. But I'll show you inside and show you how I've got the shower set up. Now we're inside the shower. So I hook the shower onto the top box there, and if we follow the shower down, there it is, straight into my pump. There you have it, my shower system, and it works a treat, absolute gem it does. So what I'm going to do now is boil some water, get in, and I'll see you in a sec. Fun and games, let's crack on. Welcome to my shower unit, my 12 volt pump shower that works amazing. And turn it on. Oh yes. This is better than the camp shower in the campsite, this. No? Ooh, my little bits. Bye. Hello. The shower pump, 12 volt. Rise Pro. Get one. They're amazing. They're better than the camp showers over there. Well, there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. That's, like I said, that's my shower system. If you like this video, press the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Give us a thumbs up and tickle that little bell. Press that little bell and that'll notify you when the next video is coming out. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.